In this video, I'll show you how to create a cube shape using HTML and CSS only. As you can see on my computer screen. So let's start the code of this cube shape. This is my Sublime text editor. First, create a div with class name container and create another div inside this container with class name row. Take another div with class name cube. Add 3 span tag inside this cube and close every div. Open this code on Google Chrome browser. Now you can see nothing here, so come back to the code editor and come to the style.css and reset CSS, margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing also, border box, body minimum height 100 VH, display flex, justify content, center, align item, center, and background color is FFEB 3B. Now you can see only yellow background color on this page. Okay, copy this container class in CSS file and style it position relative, and now copy this row, set CSS style position also relative. Okay, next we copy this class name cube, paste in the CSS file and style it position position relative width equal to 150 px and height is also 150 px. Next, copy this span tag in CSS file and style it position position top 0, left 0, display block width equal to 100% and height is also 100%. Background color is white. Now reload the browser and you can see one white box is here. We will create this cube using CSS clip path with 3 different type of clip path shape. This one is our first shape, this one is our second shape, and this one is our third shape. And when they all are combined, they look like a 3D cube shape. Okay, come to the Google search engine and search CSS clip path maker. Click on this website and click on this rhombus and make the first step with adjusting these points. Okay, this is our first step is ready. Copy this, come to the CSS file and select this span in child 1, first child, and paste clip path code here. Come to the browser and reload it. You can see nothing, but when we had these 2 div, we saw our shape. Okay, now we make shape for child 2. Move this point. Copy this code and paste here for second child. Copy the same and make save for third child. Move this point. Also move this on 75. Okay. Reload this page. Our cube shape is ready for use. But at this time our whole cube color is white, so we can add some black shade using CSS pseudo class in these two shapes. Come back to the text editor, copy this and paste. Add before pseudo class. Content is nothing. Position absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%, and add background color RGBA 000.1. Reload the page. Now you can see the difference is here. Do same for this shape. Copy this, paste, replace child number 2, 3, and copy this clip path and paste here. Change opacity 0.05. Reload this page. Okay. Now our cube shape is ready to use. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next video.